Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I have a special announcement today. Today is the kickoff of Happy Holiday. It is a new series here on my channel that I will be starting. I always wanted to really do Vlogmas and just like upload more in December for you guys, but with school and with work and everything, my life is not that interesting to where I could vlog every day, or I'm just too busy to be able to post every day in December. But I thought that instead of that, I could do like a kind of 5 days of Christmas kind of a thing. I hope to, when I am like in a more like secure job and everything like that, be able to do 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of holidays. So hopefully next year that will be something that I am able to do. But I really hope that you guys are excited for this series on my channel. This is the first year that I'm doing this, and it's something that I've really wanted to do for a very long time. That is kind of why I've been MIA a little bit, because I've been prepping videos, pre-filming videos. Although it's only 5 videos in a row is a lot of work, but it is something that I have always wanted to do for you guys. So for today's video, I have my clarifying wash day routine. A lot of you guys have requested this just to see what I do. Honestly, it is nothing special. I literally just wash my hair, condition it, and deep condition it. I don't use really any special products except for, which you guys will see in the video, the Ors Moisture Restore Creamy Aloe Shampoo. This removes product buildup from your hair. If you guys don't know what clarifying is, it is pretty much when you're stripping your hair of all of the product buildup that you have on your hair from like the previous month. I only clarify my hair once a month. I don't do it any more than that because my hair doesn't need it more than that, but usually you really don't need to do it more than once a month. I know some people do it like every 3 weeks or so. It just depends on how much product you're putting on your hair. Especially in the wintertime, it is so important to clarify your hair because you're putting so much product in your hair to try to maintain the moisture and everything, that all of that product buildup on top of each other, after a while your hair isn't able to absorb the product that you're putting on it, and oftentimes that's when your hair feels like it's weighed down. You don't the products that you're putting in, you don't feel like they're penetrating your hair or anything. Try clarifying your hair and see what works for you. After I started clarifying my hair, I saw a dramatic difference in the way that my hair absorbed the product that I was putting in, and I was using less product because my hair was able to actually absorb what I was putting in it. So yeah guys, I will come back at the end of the video just to give you guys like my final thoughts and everything about clarifying. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so getting started, I'm just going ahead and showing you guys how dirty my hair is. It is feeling really lifeless and it really needs some TLC. So we're going to go ahead and, like I said earlier, clarify my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my hair. When I clarify my hair, I really like to rinse my hair very thoroughly before I even go in with shampoo. I just feel like this gets rid of any of like the buildup that is just loose on my hair, so I don't have to do as much work when I am using the shampoo. So I just go in and rinse for quite a bit of time just to make sure that my hair is super saturated. Now I'm going ahead in with the Ors Creamy Aloe Shampoo. I love this shampoo to clarify my hair. This is the only time I really use this shampoo because otherwise it just strips my hair too much for my liking. But I just go ahead and apply that. I only apply it to my roots. This is something that I am really taking into consideration, especially when I'm using this shampoo, because it does strip your hair, and when I rinse out the shampoo, it's gonna run down the length of my hair anyway. So I just focus the shampoo on my roots to get rid of the buildup there. I don't place the shampoo on my actual the length of my hair. I usually don't do that with shampoo anyway, but with clarifying, I make sure that I am really focused on not doing that, because If I do, then it strips my hair just a little bit too much. And so, yeah, as you guys can see, it's really lathering up really nicely. The first wash always doesn't lather up too much for me, so I always just make sure that I'm loosening up all of the buildup with the tips of my fingers. I don't use my nails because that can scratch your scalp, so I just make sure to use the tips of my fingers and just massage it throughout my hair. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and rinsed it out, and now I'm going in for wash number 2. I do 2 washes when it comes to clarifying my hair as well. I just find that this really just cleans my hair and makes it really, really nice and clean. My hair feels really, really stripped after this shampoo, which I like because it is clarifying. If any other shampoo did that, then I definitely would not use it, but I just go ahead and massage this into my roots, making sure to get the middle of my head because sometimes I can miss that, especially when I'm doing it in the sink. When I'm in the shower, I usually don't miss it, but because I'm in the sink and my arms get tired, it's kind of hard. But as you guys can see, it's lathering up really, really nicely. And you can see I'm not using my nails. I'm using the balls of my fingertips to massage the product into my scalp. And it just feels so, so good. I also want to get like a scalp massager to do this. And I think that would be even more beneficial for my hair. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. As you guys can see, I'm not going through the length of my hair. I'm just doing the root. So now I'm just massaging it a little more and making sure to get the middle of my head. I do massage my hair the second time for probably about 5 minutes or so because I want to get all of that buildup and product out from my hair, and I find that if I do like 2 quick washes, it doesn't really do that. So I stand here for a pretty good amount of time. Of course, cut it out for you guys because of course it's boring. So once that is done, I go ahead and rinse that out, and as you guys can see, my hair is so healthy and shiny because of all of that product that's gone. And this just goes to show me that the products I'm using in my hair are really, really working, and I am so happy. So now I go ahead in with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hydration Conditioner. Sorry, that clip was a little fast. But this, I really like this conditioner for moisture. I don't really like the shampoo from this line, but I do really like this conditioner. I really don't like the deep conditioner either. So I just massage this into my head. After I clarify, my hair always needs moisture no matter what I do. It sometimes also needs protein, but my hair always needs moisture. My hair is always moisture deficient, so I go ahead and apply this into my hair. Sometimes if I'm in the shower, I'll get out and apply this and like run my Y2 comb through it, but if I'm just doing it over the sink, I just apply it to my head and then I just run my fingers through it. And then after it sits, I go ahead and comb it out so that all of the product is distributed throughout my hair. I'm making sure to get those ends because in the wintertime my ends get so dry. So then I go ahead and put a little bun on the top of my head. You can sit under your hooded dryer or your heating cap. I sat under my heating cap for about 10 minutes, but I left the conditioner in for about 30. I just put on a shower cap and just let it rock. So once I'm done deep conditioning, I usually just wash it out, and then I use whatever product that I feel my hair needs. If my hair needs protein, I'll use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore leave-in conditioner because that one has a little bit of protein in it. And if I need moisture, then I will just use, what do I use when I just need moisture? Oh, the Design Essentials Coconut and Manoi Deep Moisture Hair Milk. I love that stuff for my hair when I need some moisture. Or I use the Elastic QP Olive Oil and Mango Butter Moisturizer. Those are my 3 faves. And then I always just seal with some pure olive oil. My hair really doesn't like coconut oil. I know a lot of people use coconut oil as their sealant, but my hair just personally does not like coconut oil. So I use that. I will have probably within this series, I know for sure, I will have my LCO method, how I moisturize and seal my hair for the winter time. So look forward to that. I just didn't want to include it in this video because it is pretty long and I just wanted this to be about clarifying my hair. But like I said, once I'm done deep conditioning, I just know by the feeling of my hair what my hair needs. If my hair feels like really dry and brittle, I'll do moisture. If my hair feels like it needs some strength and it's kind of weak and it snaps really easily, then I'll put in the protein. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. So look forward to new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. But for this series, I will be uploading every day up until Christmas. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. I love you girls. Mwah. Bye-bye.